showcase a topic on evolution of animals. Humans have a long history. 3.8 billion years ago, the following of review depicted in this display. Let us see the evolution of animal. First, my friend Vijayatya will explain the first part.
My name is Vijay Reddy. I am going to explain the first part of the evolution. First, prokaryote is a single cell organism. Next, evolved into cyanobacteria. It's also known as blue-green algae. Next, it transformed into eukaryote. It's a multicellular organism. Next, it changed into pionophyllid. It's also known as oral cell. Next, it changed into methyl helminthes. It's also known as platforms. Next, my friend Deepak will be explaining the next part.
My name is Deepak. I am going to explain the second part of this evolution. First, Pichia. It is a landscape. Then it evolved into Hycotis. It is a prehistoric fish. Then it evolved into Agnatha. It is a jawed fish. Then it transformed into Placodermi. It is primitive jawed fish. Then it transforms into Cephalosis. It is one of the early group of vertebrates. Next, my friend Jitesh will explain this third part of this evolution.
My name is Jitesh. I am going to explain the third part of this evolution. After cephalosis, it transferred into coelacanth. It is a small carnivorous freshwater fish. It transformed into Pantheratis. It is a late surviving organism. Next, it transformed into Tiktaalik. It is a tetrapod living on land. Next, it evolved into Acanthostega. It is known as spiny roof animal. Next, it transformed into Ichthyosaura. It is a late surviving organism. Next, my friend Darshan will explain the fourth part of the evolution.
After Ichthyosaura, Hynodon was formed. It is a limb vertebrate. It evolved to Turopodon. It is a four-limb vertebrate. It transformed to Vestothiana. Next, Hylonomus. It is commonly referred as Parasmos. Next, it evolved to Thinosuchus. It is no member of family Thinosuchidae. Next, my friend Sandesh will explain part of the evolution.
Hi, I am Sandesh. I am going to explain about the next set of animals in this evolution. After Thinosuchus, Cyanothrax was formed. Cyanothrax is one of the earliest primate-like mammals. Next, it transformed to Rapanomamus. Rapanomamus is one of the badger-sized mammals. Next, it evolved into Juramia. Juramia is one of the late Jurassic surviving organism. It evolved into Plesiothepis. Plesiothepis is also referred to as near Canopus. It evolved into Catapulus. Catapulus is one of the primate-like surviving mammal. Now, Dakshin will continue in the next part.
I am Dakshin. Now I am going to explain sixth part of evolution. First, it is Egyptopithecus. It is also known as Egyptian ape. Then it got transformed into Proconsul. It is also known as Gibbon. Then it got evolved into Simonopithecus. Simonopithecus is also known as Siva's ape. Then it got transformed into Proconsul. It got transformed into Oranopithecus. Oranopithecus is also known as Great Ape. Then it got transformed into Orenin. Orenin is also known as Original Man. Now my friend Pranav will explain next part of evolution.
Hello everyone, my name is B.S. Pranav and I am going to explain the last set of the evolution. First, it was Neanderthal. It is also known as Sanktli, and next it evolved into Homo erectus, which means strong child. Then it was transformed into Homo erect, which means erect ape man. Then it got transformed into Homo locust. It means Homo neanderthalensis. Next, last but not least, it got evolved into Homo sapiens, which means we humans. With this, evolution had stopped and stopped. In future, it may or may not continue.
I think you all got an idea about evolution of animal. With this, we conclude our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.